Welcome you all for the today's aptitude session. In today's class, I'm going to explain a very advanced topic that is called game-based aptitude. Game-based aptitude that I'm going to explain, right? This is the newly introduced aptitude in aptitude section. So the main intention of this game-based aptitude is to check the ultimate talent of the candidate, how his memory levels, how his accuracy, how his speed levels, everything will be tested using these games. As the recruitment process is almost every company doing by online, so in online they are going to in online test they are going to conduct games also as a part of written test. So let us see few games: Geo Sudo game, inductive logical thinking game, grid challenge, motion challenge, speech challenge, digital challenge, and 18 other more games are there. Let us see one by one game. Now remember, every game, the maximum duration for every game is 6 minutes. Right? Out of total number of games, you need to choose either 4 or 5 games, depends upon the company written test pattern, and every game the maximum time is allotted. You need to answer all the questions of that particular game within the 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, right, that particular game will be over. And remember, in each game different levels also present. Let us see switch challenge, right? Now based on this input, what we need to do is you need to identify the code of this output. Right? You need to drag either 1, 2, 3, either of these. You need to drag either this one or this one or this one. Right? If you drag, if it is correct, it is unlocked to the next level. You have to do as quickly as possible with accuracy, so that you will answer all the sub games of this particular switch challenge. Now how to answer? I'm assigning the values to these geometrical structures, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3 is what? Circle is 3. Circle is 3. The next triangle is 2. Circle is 4. Right? This plus is how much? 3. Sorry. And rectangle is 1. Right? So 3241 is the code. Right? You need to drag this code over here, so that next level of this game will be unlocked. Right? This is what. Yeah, coming to the whatever I explained, I just showing in this slide. Now let us see the next level of this question. Next level, right? Now please everybody concentrate only on this. This is the question, right? This is the question, right? I'm assigning the values 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is an intermediate output 4, 3, 2, 1. Intermediate 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 4 is what? Rectangle. 3 is triangle, 2 is circle, 1 is plus, right? This is the intermediate output. For this intermediate output, again I'm assigning the values 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is our actual final output. Plus is 4, then next circle is 3, and then triangle is 2, and then next rectangle is 1. So this is the final output. That you need to drag. Right? Let us see the next variety of question: deductive logical thinking or geo challenge. Now here the grids are given, and the grids are either 4 by 4 or 5 by 5 or 6 by 6 structure. Now as a basic level, I am giving you 4 by 4 structure. This is the 4 by 4 structure. Now each row and each column there are 4. We need to place different structures. All 4 structures should be different. Let us see here. I already given one example. In column 3, all 4 structures are different, and in row also all 4 structures should be different. Each row and each column, all the structures should be different. You need to do this. And based on this condition, what is the shape over here? Now in this rows, rectangle is over, triangle is over, plus symbol is over. The only left is plus. So you need to place plus here. You need to drag plus, so that it is unlocked to the next. So answer this for this particular grid is a circle. Right? Next level, next one. Now here also, now in this column, plus is over, triangle is over, rectangle is over. Now you need to drag circle over here. It will unlock to the next level. Let us see this question. Now we need to answer what is over here. Now here, now concentrate on column 1, right? Rectangle is over, triangle is over, plus is over, so here must be circle. If it is a circle, now circle is over, rectangle is over, plus is over. Now next what? Right? Triangle. So you need to drag triangle to fulfill the conditions that all rows and all columns should be of different shape. Each row and each column of different shapes, right? Answer for this particular question is rectangle, triangle. Now the next. Now till now we have seen 4 by 4 grids. Let us see one more question on 4 by 4 grids, right? Here the rectangle, here the plus, here rectangle, right? Triangle plus rectangle. So it should be circle. If it is a circle, it must be what? Plus. So that all 4 shapes are different. So you need to drag plus over here as quickly as possible. You need to answer each level as quickly as possible, accurately and fastly, so that you will unlock all the games of that particular model. Now this is a 5 by 5 grid. Now in this 5 by 5 grid, let us concentrate on this one. I am concentrating on this column. So here plus is there, rectangle is there, circle is there, and here in this column, in this row, already star is there. So here star is not possible. So star is not possible. So it must be triangle here. If it is triangle, it must be star here. It must be star here, right? Now see, as delta is present here, here delta is not possible. Here also delta is not possible. Here also delta is not possible. Here also delta is not possible. Now as delta is present here, here delta is not possible. Delta is not possible, and this is star, right? Delta not possible. Now see. Yeah, so concentrate on this, concentrate on this, concentrate on this column, right? Now this is a star and this is plus, right? Sorry, here delta is not possible, here delta is not possible, so here must be delta. That's it, right? Here delta is not possible, delta is not, here must be delta. If it is delta, then see here. Now here delta is not possible. Hey, delta is already present. Now in this column 1, what are all the different shapes that are left? Star is over, and plus is over, delta is over. Circle and rectangle are there. Circle and rectangle are there. Circle and rectangle are there. Right? Circle and rectangle are there. Okay, circle and rectangle are there. Right, yeah. Now, okay. Now here delta is not possible, here delta is not possible, and here also now delta is not possible because here the delta is there. Now delta is must be here. That's it. Now I'm answering this question in this path. Not only this path, you can choose any other path also to answer this question, but you need to answer as quickly as possible. Let us take one more time this question, how I am answering, right? Now I'm concentrating on this column, right? So how I am answering, right? So plus is over, rectangle is over, circle is over, and here star is not possible. A star is there, right? So in rest of these signals are what? Star and delta. Here star not possible, so it star not possible, so it must be delta. If it is delta, it must be star. It must be star. Now as delta is here, here delta is not possible, delta is not possible, delta triangle is not possible, triangle is not possible, and also here triangle is present, so here triangle is not possible, here also triangle is not possible, right? Now, yeah, now here circle is there, here triangle is not possible, here triangle is not possible, here rectangle is there. So for this particular row, here must be triangle, here must be triangle. So if it is here triangle, so here triangle is not possible, so here must be triangle. That is the fastest approach for this particular pseudo game, right? So you need to do this as quickly as possible, so that you need to drag here so that is unlocked to the next one, right? So let us see. So let us take this one as your work, this one as your homework. Just note down this one, this 5 by 5 pseudo game, and answer this, answer this, answer this. Just put it So the next, whatever I explained, I just put it in a PPT also, right? Second level of Geo Sudo game. This is, please note down this question, and answer for this question is a triangle. Do it as quickly as possible. Please note down this. Also, please note down this also. Please note down this also. These two, answer these two. So answer for this particular question is plus. Right, to do it as quickly as possible. So 4 by 4 easy structure, right? So we'll see the next question. Next model, a grid challenge. Oh, I've explained all these rules. It's an easy question, right? See here, see here, see here. I'm just showing the very you need lot of concentration and focus to answer this. So here memory will be tested. Your memory, how your memory stored the particular things, right? Now see, this picture will become consisting of so many empty dots, and this is the dot which will be filled. You need to remember this filled dot actually at what place it is present. You need to remember this place. You need to remember this place. This is the first dot. Now this picture will be shown for a minimum of 1 or 2 seconds. Just 1 or 2 seconds lo idi next picture of right? You need to remember this dot. Next is after 2 seconds, right? This is the next picture. You need to answer either yes or no, whether this is symmetry or not. Definitely it is not symmetry, because it is one, here only one, here two, right? Not symmetry. You need to press no. Then it will be unlocked to the next. This is also present only for 2 seconds. 2 seconds. I will show later. Now next is this one. Next again the dots. Here the filled dot is here. First dot is here. You need to remember. You need to memory right? First dot, right? Second dot is here. Here the first dot. Here the second dot. You need to store it in memory, right? Yeah. Next one is whether this is symmetry or not. Yeah, it is 2. It is 1 2 1 2. Okay, 2 2 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2. Right? Yeah, it is symmetry. Press yes in unlock. Right? Next one, right? Where on the grid and which order their dots are present, right? ఇది కదండి ఫస్ట్ డాట్ ఇక్కడ, సెకండ్ డాట్ ఇక్కడ, రైట్? సో ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఎంటీ డాట్స్ షో, ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ నేను ఆన్సర్ చూపించాను, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఆన్సర్ చూపించాను. సో కంప్లీట్ ఎంటీ డాట్స్ ఫిగర్ వస్తుంది. దేర్ యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రెస్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఇది ఫస్ట్ డాట్ గా, ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఇది ప్రెస్ చేసి తర్వాత ఇది ప్రెస్ చేస్తారనుకోండి, దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. ఆర్డర్ లో ఎలా వచ్చినాయి? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ సెకండ్. మీరు అదే ఆర్డర్ లో క్లిక్ చేయాలి ఆ డాట్స్ ని, రైట్? ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆర్డర్, which order they are appearing, and the place and order, right? This is about this game, right? I'm showing this, right? See, I'm showing this. Are you observing everybody, right? Just a matter of seconds it will be present. In that matter of seconds you need to answer. You need to answer. First one, third one, and fourth one. Next, first one, yeah, first one, symmetry. Second one, symmetry and order. That's it. That's there ends the game. So like this. This is about this game. I hope everybody is understanding what I'm trying to explain, right? So see, it present maximum of 1 or 2 seconds only. In that 1 or 2 seconds, you need to answer it. You need to answer as quickly as possible, right? Memory testing. Yeah. That's the grid challenge. Whatever I explained, I just showing in a stepwise. This is the order, right? Now this is a digit challenge. In this digit challenge, what we are going to do is, right, you need to bring this equation. Here is this is empty. You need to select a digit. You need to select a digit, and the result should, and you need to perform this operation and this operation on those selected digits, and your result should be 20. Very simple thing he is giving. Very simple thing, right? Now remember, you need to select each value only once. One value you have to select only once only. ఒక్కసారి మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి వాల్యూ, రైట్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం 9 సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, 9 ఒకసారి యూజ్ చేయాలి. యూ కెన్ నాట్ యూజ్ మల్టిపుల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్. that must be remember, right? And you should answer as quickly as possible. So for this particular, what I'm going to do is, if it is 7, if it is 2, 7 2s are 14, and this is 6, 14 plus 6 20, right? I'm selecting 7, 2, 6. All three are different. 7 2s are 14 plus 6, right? You need to do this as quickly as possible. This is not only the way, you can do it this way also. For example, if I select 8 here, if I select 2 here, 8 2s are 16. Now I can select 4. 8 2 4, all are different, right? 84, right? This is also valid. This is also valid. Do it as quickly as possible. For example, if I select 9 here, if I select 2 here, 9 2s are 18. Then again I have to select 2 here. So here 2 is selected 2 times. This is not entertained. This is not entertained, right? I hope everybody is understanding. Digit challenge. A simple number 20 is given. Result is 20. Performing operation on 3 values, plus and multiplication, right? This is about digit challenge. Right? Digit challenge. And whatever I explained, now do this. Now just note down this and do this as quickly as possible. Just for work. Divided by into, result is 6. And see here 1 2 4 6 7 9. These are అవేనండి, మీరు అవే యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ 3 ఇవ్వలేదు ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ 5 ఇవ్వలేదు ఏంటి, here 8 is not present. You should not ask. They are the active values. He is giving active values 1 2 4 6 7 9. So which means you have to use only those. Right? You have to use only those, right? That's it. Here is an answer is also there. I'm giving 9 by 6, right? But you should, this is the not only the way, you can do it in a different way also, but whatever, you should do it as quickly as possible. That must be important to unlock, right? Accuracy. Now motion challenge. I think మీ మొబైల్స్లో కానీ అయితే 10 ఈనాడు పేపర్లో కానీ ఇలాంటి గేమ్స్ మీరు చూసే ఉంటారు. మోషన్ ఛాలెంజ్ గేమ్, రైట్? Now what we have to do is, right, you need to bring this red ball to this hole by performing different operations, by moving the objects, by moving this object. This is a moving object, this is a moving object, this also moving object, this also moving object. And the immovable objects, there are rocks. This is rock, which is immovable object, and this is also rock, which is immovable object. You have to move the objects as quickly as possible to get the path for what? To get the path for placing this red ball into this block. This is the place where you need to place this block, right? For that you need a path, right? Now what I'm going to do now, so first of all, I'm going to move this over here, then I'm going to move this over here. And remember this, if I move this one to here the path will be opened. If I move this upward, here also path will be opened like this. Here also path will be opened. ఇక్కడ వరకు path open అయిందండి. Now remember, this can be moved. This I am moving to over here, right? This I can move over. This is an empty block. Remember, this is an empty block. We can move this block over here. If I move block over here, this is the path, complete path, and I can place the ball. That's it. Do this operation as quickly as possible. One more time I'm explaining this. Now I want path like this. I just want to select the path in this manner. Now you can select path in other manner also, it's up to you, but whatever you should do as quickly as possible. This is the name, this is the hole, right? This is the hole. There you need to place the ball. And this is the rock, which is immovable. This is, we can move this, we can move this, we can move this, we can move. These we can move. Now what I'm going to do is, right, first of all I'm moving this one upward, so that here the ఇంతవరకు మనకి క్లియర్ అయింది path. Now this I'm going to move here, right? So ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వరకు క్లియర్ అయింది path ఇంతవరకు. Now this I'm moving over here, ఇక్కడ వరకు path క్లియర్ అయింది. That's it. I can move the block over there, red ball over there. This is what I explained in this also. Right, now first step what I'm going to do, this I'm moving over here, so move chesesanu. first step. Then next what I'm doing, this I am moving over there, move చేశాను ఎక్కడికి మూవ్ చేశాను, right? This was step 1, step 2. Now ఇంతవరకు పాత్ వచ్చింది. Next step what I'm doing, this I am moving over here, this I am moving over here, right? Now that we got the path. That's it. Now this is the question. Don't fit the rule challenge. In this challenge, different shapes are given. Now out of those shapes, one shape is not fitting that rule, right? All the shapes are objects which are showing on that particular figure will follow a particular rule, but one of the object is not following the rule. You need to identify that object, the object which is not fitting in that rule, right? This is what this challenge is. Now these are the shapes, right? See, four shaped, right? Rhombus structure, rhombus structure, rhombus structure, right? Okay, all are right. This is not in that rule, this is not in that rule. Now this is the answer for this, for our particular question. This is not fit in this rule, right? Let us see one more, right? Let us see one more. So plus so ఇచ్చారండి. Now let us count the number of pluses. This is 9 pluses plus signs. 3 this is 8 plus 3 3 1, this is 7 pluses, this is 6 pluses, this is 6 pluses, this is 4 pluses, this is 3 plus signs, this is 2 plus signs, this is 1 plus sign. This is not fit in that rule because here must be 5 plus signals plus signs, right? So this is the answer for this particular question. That is not fitting on that rule. Next one, this is right. Now what is this rule looking at? Okay, yeah. So here two objects, both are outside. One object, both are outside, right? Outside. Here also two objects, they are not interconnected, are outside. Here also not interconnected, not interconnected, not interconnected, not interconnected, not interconnected, not interconnected. Each pick, there are two objects, one is outside, two all are not connected. But whereas see here, objects are connected, that is not fit in our rule, right? This is the answer for this particular. That object is not fit in this rule. That's the answer. This is the answer for this particular question. Yeah, doesn't fit rule. That doesn't fit rule. What I explained, that was I showing in a PPT also. This question I explained, this question I explained, this is not I explained, right? This is not I explained, right? Just do it as a homework, and answer is also there. Answer is also there. That's not fit in our rule. On what basis that is not fit in our rule, you should know, right? I explained 3 to 4 examples, right? Let us move on to the next one. Yeah, good question. Color grid challenge. Little bit more focus is needed. Little bit more focus is needed. Color grid challenge, right? Now there are 6 structures, right? 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? So here green is colored, here green is colored, here green is colored, and here gray color is colored, here gray color is colored, here also gray color is colored, and here no color filling, 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 no color filling. Now what you need to do is, when we have to take green color filling, and when we have to take gray color filling, and when we have to take no color filling, right? That you should know. If you know the same, you need to apply. Now if we take this structure, right, see, when green color is filled, green color ఎక్కడైతే గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఫిల్ చేస్తుందో ఒకసారి అది అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. మనం గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఫిల్ చేస్తే, రైట్, ఎలా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం? గ్రీన్ కలర్ 56913R 56S. So SSR, okay, 2. So here 3 alphabets are there. Let us see. Now here green color, N, only one alphabet. This is only one alphabet is there. Okay, here we'll see 1 2, sorry, D is only thing, right? Here also one alphabet. Okay, now coming to gray color. Now gray color, how many alphabets? N, M, 2 alphabets, sorry. two alphabets are there, right? Two alphabets are there. Here the gray color is there. How many alphabets are J? Two alphabets are there. Here the gray color is there. M, L. There are also two alphabets are there. Two alphabets are there. Now, no, two alphabets are there. Two alphabets are there. Okay. Now, what we need to do? What is the identification? If even number of alphabets are there, we need to fill the top circle with gray color. If odd number of alphabets are there, you need to fill with gray color to the bottom circle, right? Now see, 1 M. Now I'm answering this one. M A M A M A, right? 2. Even number is there, you need to fill with what? Green color, right? You have to take what? Green color, right? So here you should fill with green. You should fill with green, right? Now, E M. Sorry, what is the mistake we did? Sorry. What is the mistake we did? Right? What is the mistake? 5. Yes, yes. This is 3 alphabets. Green color. N 1 alphabet. And it is how many? 1 alphabet. Odd number green. Even number gray. Right? Even number. That is RJ. 2 alphabets. N M 2 alphabets. Even. L M 2 alphabets. Right? So now, yeah. M A 2 alphabets gray, right? This is gray color. You should take gray color here. White gray is not available, so okay. So this is gray color. You have to fill this with gray color. This is gray color over. Now next EM odd. If odd is there, green color. You have to take the green color to fill. If odd is there, green also what? Bottom. Now see, W odd is there, green color. This is bottom should be green. Now we are even. If it is even, what? If it is even, gray. Even gray. Right? It must be gray. This is how this is proceed. You need to fill the color to the grids based on a particular rule, right? So this is a little bit tough challenge, students. This is little bit tough challenge. You need to focus on each, how the colors are filled, on what rule or on what basis the colors are filled, that you should identify as quickly as possible, right? Let us take another example, right? So another example, right? Now see, this is the question. Please focus only on the question. Please don't focus over here. Now first, the orange color is filled. Orange color. Then we have to take the orange color. Then we have to take the black color. All the grids which have totally 4 jets are of orange. Right? See, Z, 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 4 jets orange. Z, 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 4 jets orange. Z, 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 4 jets orange. Right? All other grids are having blue color on bottom. Right? Remaining what is blue color ichadu. Now దీన్ని place చేసుకుందాం. Right? Z, 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 Z. Right? Here orange. Let us take the orange color, right? You should fill with what? Orange. Next to Z. Now top should be orange. Now here Z's are not there. Z's 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 Z's. 4 Z's 1 2 3 4. right? Just mark the same way options having four jets mark, right? Four jets, right? Here not jets are there. This should be black color, right? It should be black color, right? Check here, jets are not there. Black is in bottom. Here black you should fill, and here also jets are there. Black you should fill. This is the answer for this particular, right? This is the answer for this particular, right? All the grids which are having totally four jets are of orange on top, right? This is how you need to do this as quickly as possible. Now, right now, if all the grids have odd number, then the circle mark given if only a mark gray or the combination of both is kept unmarked, right? Okay, right. This is actually we did it two slides before. Right, so that's all for this game based aptitude session 1. I'm going to post a total of for 3 sessions on game based aptitude, right? So this is just an example. So you have to do few games also. You have to mobile games practice which are useful, so that you can do the accurate way. You can do the, you can assign in a, you can do it the examination as quickly as possible, right? Upon, so thank you one and all for joining the today's session. I'm stopping.